for finger, for five, for fan. Now let's repeat it again. For fish, for fin, for finger, for five, for fan. Now let's write letter F. Let's make a standing line, then a sleeping line, and then a sleeping line. This is letter F. Let's write it again. Standing line, sleeping line, and then a sleeping line. This is letter F. Now this is letter T. It makes the sound T. Letter T, sound T. T teddy, T train, T tuck, T tree, T tin. Let's repeat it again. T teddy, T train, T tuck, T tree, T tin. Now let's write letter T. First we make a standing line and then we make a sleeping line. Standing line and then a sleeping line. Letter T. Letter F and letter T.